Hi, my name is Nicholas.
And I'm Shang Wei. We just got married in February this year and this is our first home together.
This is a 3-bedroom condo. Right now we're in the living room. Right there is the balcony and also the dining next to the kitchen.
We had a master bedroom and converted one of the rooms to a walk-in closet as well as a study room, and there are also 2 bathrooms in this unit itself.
So one of the priorities that I had looking for a place was that relatively close to my workplace.
The condo itself is very peaceful, but just a very short walk away you have the entire Robertson Quay area that is very vibrant. So the theme we're going for is modern luxe. We wanted something that was a bit classic, something that's contemporary. Where we get our inspiration from, really it's more of what you would see in show flats as well as hotel.
Yeah, actually I wanted something a bit more minimalist and probably not too loud. When I heard the theme Modern Luxe, I was a bit hesitant because I didn't want too much gold or anything which I would term as gaudy.
I would say that's a huge challenge. So that's where I feel really the expertise of an ID comes in, which was what really struck us when we saw Jeff's first draft, where he managed to put many different elements together and it still looked very, very cohesive.
The favourite place of my house is the living room, because this is the place where I spend the most time, relaxing, watching TV, playing games and hosting all my friends. My specific request to Jeffrey was to hide all the cables, which he actually did a very good job in hiding everything behind the feature wall, so that there's a very clean look, despite there only being a marble platform. So one of the most striking things about our house is the mirror feature wall that spans along the whole side of the living room.
And we're actually quite surprised. When we really moved into the house, we realized that it really helped with making the space look a lot bigger.
For the study room, I will be the one who will be mainly using it. That's why we decided to go with a rough, almost like concrete textured wall, together with the wood Venetian blinds.
For us as first-time homeowners, of course one of the things that you will always visualize and want is a walk-in wardrobe. We decided to go with just half height on one side to create that feeling of space. It was nice that we could actually have a his and a her side, so it's actually split into half where we each have our own space. We also have LED lightings that has been a standout feature. Everybody who comes in, the moment we switch on the light, they'll go, wow.
For the master bedroom, we decided to go ahead with a full height bed head. We really incorporated all the raw elements that I like, so much so that I really wanted to mimic the exact 3D design. Went out there and bought the exact same pendant light and also almost the same bed frame.
We get a lot of satisfaction when people come and they actually say like, oh, this is so you or this is so him. And that's really something which makes us feel like we have successfully created that home that we really wanted, and this is the home that we're living in today.